Hi, so today I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the new Google Pixel 4a. Yeah, are you excited? I'm excited. Okay, let's see. So I already cut the sides. Yeah, of course, nice boxing, as always. Brand new, just got it a couple days ago. And yeah, plastic cover. There's the phone. It's like the same. If you had the Pixel 3a, it looks like it's almost the exact same dimensions. But I know the screen is actually bigger, so that's pretty cool. It's lightweight, has a finger reader here, which on the 3A I actually found really helpful. Same camera, I'm pretty sure. But let's see what else is in this box. Unboxing music. Okay, how to turn things on. We already know how to do that. Yeah, and there's your SIM card remover. Very important. And oh boy, another outlet. Sometimes phones don't include these things anymore, and yeah, but this is a fast charger, which is amazingly quick. And yeah, what is this? Oh, that's useful. Seriously though, I mean, I'm not being sarcastic. I need that. Okay, so there's the phone. Let's go ahead and turn it on and see what happens. Nice. Nice, full screen. But I guess that's the front-facing camera. You know, I guess I could have done a little more research, but yeah, that's it. In a nutshell, that's what you'll get for what, $350 is what I got this phone for. So it's super inexpensive and kind of amazing. Anyway, hey, if this video was helpful to you, and please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And I already know I'm gonna love this phone. So, oh, there we go. Boom, hi. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my SIM card in and all that stuff, and I'll do a review later on. But yeah, if this video was helpful, and you want to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, I appreciate it. Thank you.